Before I sign off for the year, I just wanted to hop on and say a big thank you to everyone who's watched my videos. It's been a lot of fun making these videos this year. Hope you enjoy these outtakes and bloopers from the year, and most importantly, I hope you have a wonderful holiday season with your family and friends. Compost, as it's breaking down, should have a nice earthy flavor. Not flavor. Try to evaluate what if a plant dies, try to evaluate what if a plant dies, try to evaluate try to evaluate what happened so that you're not continuing to spread those diseases. As long as your strawberries are still, don't be in too quick. Come on. April is a pretty good month to plant. April is a good month to plant just about anything. Pepper seeds are ripe when they have reached the full cover. Pepper seeds are ripe whenever they have reached the full Hobbs. Mulching strawberries helps keep that moisture in the soil. Calvin, I need to do this, okay? The sooner I'm done, the sooner I'll cook dinner. I don't need you looking at me with binoculars. At the end of the season, it's hard to see a sunflower blooming and not smile. They are definitely one of the happiest flowers. Simply plant the sunflower about an inch deep. Who is? For growing for how to grow straw flowers, and learn from your mistakes. Plant your garlic cloves 2 or 3 feet deep. Nasturtium. Pick a sunny location for growing peppers. Peppers contain a compound which makes them hot. It's called capsaicin. It's called capsaicin. You can pickle. Broccoli harvests are just beginning and we can't wait. Thank you so much for watching. As always, thank you so much for watching.